Hello, I am Habib Toure, CEO and Manager of Sierra Pork Sierra Leone Limited Company. Sierra Pork Company is operating in the eastern part of Sierra Leone in a community called Bomo Town in Jalouan Chiefdom, just opposite the Moa Barracks along the Kenema-Kailan Highway. Sierra Pork is a pig farming business and we produce piglets, healthy piglets. After being warned, we give those piglets to contract farmers that have a standard facility to raise those pigs. We supply those contract farmers with feed and veterinary services, and they provide accommodation and care for the pigs for 6 to 8 months for the pigs to attain a live weight of 80 to 100 kg. These pigs, after attaining the market weight, are collected from the contract farmer and brought to our processing facility where they are processed and packaged to fresh pork ready to be sold to the market. We are selling our fresh pork in supermarkets, grocery stores, and we also supply in wholesale to meat vendors that retail this meat in smaller units in central markets. We also supply to hotels, restaurants, and other food vendors. Sierra Pork is made up of a team of 3. We have the marketing and finance officer, who is Kadiatu Brema, pursuing a BSc degree in business management. We have our caretaker, who is Mohamed Tamu, a retired military officer, and myself as the farm manager. We have 4 shareholders. Sierra Pork started in 2021 in the month of November with 10 piglets. Presently in October 2023, we have 123 pigs. During our prototype to test the market, we sold 12 pigs, 6 as live pigs and 6 we are processed to fresh pork. For 2024, we are targeting to sell 100 pigs to generate a revenue of 400,000 leones. We are working on a net profit margin of 25 to 30%. You can contact Sierra Pork through phone or WhatsApp number +232 7872 4852, or